ready to transform your chaotic project management into a streamlined, efficient workflow with the power of AI. First, ensure your Asana workspace has access to AI Studio, typically found in the admin settings or the apps section. Navigate to AI Studio and explore the pre-built automation templates. These are your starting points for things like summarizing meeting notes or generating project status updates. Select a template that fits your needs, like summarize meeting notes. Customize the template by defining the input source, such as a specific Asana task or project. This is where you tell the AI where to pull its information from. Dive into prompt engineering to fine-tune how the AI processes data. Refine the instructions to get the exact output you're looking for. Think about the specific details you want the AI to focus on, like key decisions or action items. For example, you might specify, summarize the key decisions, action items, and next steps from this meeting. Now, trigger the automation. The AI will analyze the data from your specified task or project and generate a summary. Use the AI-generated insights in project updates, stakeholder communications, or to quickly catch up on missed details. Explore other AI Studio templates for tasks like generating tasks from customer feedback or predicting potential project risks. By leveraging AI Studio, you can automate repetitive tasks, gain deeper insights, and dramatically improve project efficiency within Asana, unlocking time for more strategic work.